Guys, and welcome back to another video, and today with something that will help you to sleep a little bit faster, better, and not only sleep but to do some exercises. This is the Hot Moon, and it is a device that will emit sounds, and it has also RGB, which we can customize. I will share with you in just a few moments. I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out, and also a link down below just in case you are using Windows and you still haven't activated Windows 10, Windows 11 keys fans, where you will find official budget keys, a platform that we have been using for quite some time. Budget official keys, and with the coupon code that you see on screen and also down below, you will get an extra discount. So just in case you want to check that out. Now, in terms of the Hot Moon, what comes inside this package right over here is the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C cable. Also, this plastic ring right over here that we can just open it up and put it anywhere that we want to hang. And also this clip right over here, which has the same function more or less. We can just put it on our belt or stuff like that. And of course, the Hot Moon. In terms of the device itself, it's really nice, well built, nice plastics. It has these buttons right over here: turn on, off, volume up and volume down, play, pause, and the brightness or the colors that we have right over here. Build quality nice. It has this rugged surface right like over here on the speaker, and feels nice and it looks nice. It has also rubber here on the bottom, so if I put it on this surface, it will not vibrate. Actually, I didn't see any or didn't hear any sounds that would make vibration, with the exception of those bells, which probably could. Now, in terms of sounds, I've tried all the sounds that we can get over the offline device, so I don't need the app whatsoever. Probably 30 to 40 different sounds, but really interesting is that we can use an app, and the app is really nice. Now, there is one thing that I will not be able to show you quite well, and what I can is, first of all, the device itself. We have some frequently questions right over here, feedback, and Amazon shop. But if I press here on the Omni, we will have the options for the RGB, for example. If I turn it on right now, there we go, the RGB. With the strong lights that I've got here on my office, it's not easy to see, but probably I will place a B-roll image with a darker image so that you guys can see better. I can control the brightness of the light, I can control the sound, and so on and so forth. So you can see right over here on screen, this is the first image that we have. An interesting feature is, when I was unboxing for my Portuguese video, I was thinking this would be really cool to have a preset based on the type of sound. It would show different colors, and that is exactly what we have right over here. They have some presets lights, but we can create our own. So if I'm listening to a bell, for example, I can have green, and if I'm listening to nature, I can have blue or whatever. We can have that on this menu. We also have some sounds right over here. For example, the white sound. I can control the volume here, I can control it here on the screen, and I can also control it here on my phone. There we go. So we have at least three different ways of controlling the volume. So white noise, pink noise, and we have a lot of sounds right over here that we can choose from. Now I can disable the sounds and go back, and I can turn on and off the device right over here with this button, close device and open device if I press it once again. And let me disable this sound, which we already have seen. The Omni scenes, we can create some scenes. I've got 6 right over here. For example, baby nursery, it will be with 30 minutes, and we'll play this lullaby. It has the 60% volume and 60% lights, meditation. And if I want to create more, I can just come right over here, all the settings in terms of lights, in terms of volume, which is really cool. So the app is cool, and I can also schedule what I want to do. So if I want to leave it on and say, okay, let's play this at certain time, I can do that, and if it's every day or if it's just 1 day per week or whatever. So this is the part of the app that I really enjoyed, but there is another one, which is this one right over here. Besides the sounds that it comes with, it has a lot of them to choose from online that we can then just play and transfer. Now, one of the things that I did discover just a few moments ago is that if I press play right over here, it will not play from the speaker, it will play from the phone, because I'm recording the screen. Once I finish the recording, we can hear that we have right over here a lot of presets, and besides that we have a lot of categories right over here. Here they are, the categories are right over here. As you can see, lullaby, noise, city, birds, water, and so on and so forth. So we have a lot to choose from. And if I press one of these, it will download and I'm ready to start using. Now, we've got 2 sounds right over here, but I can go up to 3 sounds. So I just have 3 sounds right now, and I can just do this and increase and decrease the volume of each one of these. So I just stopped recording the screen, and what happens is that it will start putting the sound here on the Hot Moon device. So at this moment I'm increasing the sound, but we can control the different sounds that we have right over here. So this is on the maximum. I can just decrease, and do my DJ acting, for example, right over here, which is quite good. Instead of just having one sound, we can have a lot of combinations. And in my opinion, really interesting is that besides having a lot of sounds right over here, we can do our own mixtures. So I can combine 3 different sounds that never have been placed together. So I am able to express my creativity right over here, and this is one of the things that I really enjoyed. Now, if you ask me, hey Robert, were you able to sleep with this device? I would say that yes, but I'm an easy sleeper when I get to the end of the day. If you ask me to watch a movie, 5 minutes later I'm sleeping. If I'm watching Walking Dead or something like that, I will be sleeping. So I'm probably not a person that would take most advantage right over here of this particular device. But the truth is that if I fall asleep watching a movie, it's completely different than falling asleep while hearing some relaxing sounds, which probably will give me a better sleep. But this is something that I will test during the next few days, few weeks. And if you want to get back to the video and ask me that question in a few days or weeks, I will be able to answer a little bit better. Now, I'm sure that some of you already use some devices such as this, or even the phone. But the advantage that I see right over here over the phone is that I can ignore the phone, no notifications, no calls, and just have this device prepared for a relaxing session, or even a focusing session, or any other thing that I want to achieve at that particular moment. In terms of the gadget itself, in terms of the sounds, in terms of the app, what I can say in this review is that it's well built, it is well integrated with the app, works really, really nice. We just need to take advantage of it. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really, really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.